Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Chris. In today's video, I'm going to see what new vegan products Trader Joe's has for the fall season. But they have a policy where you can't take any photos, no video, and no sound. So, in order to show you some of these new products, I have to go there and I have to purchase them and bring them back to my house and show you guys and then return. No, I'm not going to return them. Anyway, let's go to Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's. Let's go in and see what they have for the holidays. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready to go over the things that I picked up. So let's get started. We have some peppermint marshmallows. These are minis and they are gluten-free and vegan. And if you like Dandy's marshmallows, then you'll love these because they're the same thing. We have some organic, completely cacao chips. These are unsweetened chocolate. I don't know if these are new, but I've never seen them before, so to me they're new. Some organic dark chocolate covered whole cocoa bean. These are like a little snack here. They're obviously vegan and it's a whole cocoa bean, so looking forward to trying that out. And they made their sunflower butter cups, which I showed you guys in a previous Trader Joe's video, into minis. So a whole little bag of minis. These are really good. I like them. I just haven't had them in the mini version, but now they do have them. They have their Scandinavian gummies. So they have their own little line of different gummies that are vegan, and this is a soft, chewy gummy candy. These are holiday shapes. So you got the stars, the Christmas trees, and there you go. And I found some almond nog, which I don't think this is new. I actually think I did a taste test with the almond nog a few years ago with no egg Craig. So they have this back now, as you'll start seeing different vegan nogs at the store. This is just one of them, almond. I almost forgot. They also have their vegan roast. This is their holiday roast, and it's actually really good. It's not new though. But I did find it and I picked it up for Thanksgiving. Now I didn't go over some of the other things that I've done in other videos which are vegan and they're not new. So if you want to check those out, check out my other Trader Joe's videos. But as for like new or holiday season or fall themed vegan things, they really didn't have anything at my Trader Joe's. I'm very disappointed, and this food haul was literally what I just showed you, maybe, what, 6 or 7 items. But yeah, like I feel like in previous years, Trader Joe's had a way bigger variety of seasonal and holiday-themed vegan products. And wow, my Trader Joe's had barely anything, as you just saw. I am disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. I expected to find like a ton of new things, and that's all I found. And I thought I would do a video on it regardless. If you have a Trader Joe's that you shop at and they had different things and you had a wide variety, please let me know. I don't know why my Trader Joe's had nothing. I feel like they got left out or something, because I'm pretty sure in the previous years and the videos I've done, they had like a huge variety of different things. But anyway, that's all we had. And anyway, I hope you guys liked the video anyway, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. I'll try to find some more vegan products at some of the different stores around here when I can. I know it's hard during the pandemic, but when I find new products, I let you guys know. It's just hard. Maybe a grocery haul or something would work. But anyway, like and share the video, subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies. I'll see you guys soon.